Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Excel with Power Query and access credentials for the website API or data feed. Next, choose the simplest first action. Use data get data from web to paste the endpoint or CSV URL. Select the correct authentication type and enter your API key securely. Once done, preview the table in the query editor to validate columns and types. This beginning step avoids backtracking because you'll transform and refresh from a validated source. Once the raw data loads, you transform it so it's reliable for analysis. In Power Query, filter out test rows, split combined fields, and set correct data types to prevent future errors. Expand JSON or XML nodes when the API returns nested objects. Then parameterize endpoints for paging or date filters, and enable incremental refresh or schedule in Power Automate or Excel Online. Make sure to name queries and steps clearly. This reduces mistakes when you edit or hand off the workbook. Finalize by saving to OneDrive or SharePoint for live refresh, or deploy a Power Automate flow for scheduled pulls. Confirm the refresh succeeds under your account. Make security decisions now. Use OAuth or Azure AD where possible, and never store plain API keys. If a refresh fails, inspect HTTP status codes and error messages, check rate limits or cores, and verify the API schema hasn't changed. One key troubleshooting tip: replicate the failing request in Postman.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.